National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for east central Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Ripley, or 8 miles west of Fort Atkinson, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Milford, Utica, Rockdale, and Bustaville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.